Hi everyone and welcome back. So in the last video we have created a user resolver. Now what we are going to do is we'll copy this into the post and into the comments because there will be only slight changes we have to do and we can manage them. So the post resolver. Here instead of this user query there will be a post and posts, and we are going to get models dot post, right? Post dot find one, this is fine. Post dot find get all, right? And populate the author and the comments for it. So if we go to the query post, here the post is returning type post, and post will have comments, author and date. Okay, comment and author, comments and author. So go to the post resolver. Here we have post and here we have author instead of that. View.user, that is author. So here we have a title, body and published. These are some of the Boolean flag. Okay, title. So this is how we are getting both the queries: a single post by ID and list of all the posts from the post collection. Now if you wanted to save it, save the new post. So I think this is going to be a bulk change we can do. Wherever there is a user, just convert that into a post. Let's see if it works. Create user, update user, this can work. And wherever there is a small user, add a post. Okay, this is good. Now create post, right? Here we have few other things, title body, and we have title body published and some other arguments like author. So the post resolver will be little different while we are doing a create. So author is also there, which will be post dot author, and there is a date, post dot date. Okay, title body. Let's quickly update all these things. Published, this is published, and then we have author. Okay, now I can do new post dot save. This will create post, and this is update post. I think we didn't update the names. Update post, and this is delete post, because if your names are not matching while running this, you will encounter a lot of errors, right? Models.post find by ID and update, we are getting post. Model.post.find by ID and delete, these are fine. And in the post we have to take care two things. In the post we have comments and we have author. So author we can get from, so from the parent we are getting author, right? So what we can say is models.user dot find by ID, because author ID we are getting, so you can just simply pass the author. It will give us the author for that particular post, and then post has the author and set of comments, right? So we can say model.comments.find, where author is this which we are passing, this author we are getting. So based on that we will get the set of comments for that particular post. So in post we are resolving author and comments both. This is fine. Delete post, update post. Now we can also talk about subscriptions, because in post we have subscriptions also. So subscriptions will get added directly here. If you see the types in the post, we have one subscription which is like subscription upload, payload which is have a mutation, and post. Okay, going to the resolver. Here we need to write, so first is query is done, mutation is done. After that we can add a subscription, and this subscription will talk about the post. and we are going to have a subscribe method. This will have the same set of arguments, and we can decide to act on to this and skip it. So this is parent, arguments, and the pub sub which we need to pass from the context. Okay, and then we can now return null, and we will decide. Okay, so this is our subscription. Now when should we publish this, right? Because we are going to access this pub sub whenever there is an update post, create post, we can access this pub sub dot publish, and we can publish a particular event, right? So that we can see. For now this is done. We can copy this and put it in the comments. I just copied it. What we can do is just change the post everywhere to comments, because this is a simple logic. We can apply all our entities, posts replaced with comments. Simply replacement. This is the replacement of model, and this is the replacement of entity data. Post with the comment. Okay. Now we have to check comment. Okay, comments dot, this is entity, models dot comment dot find one. Similarly, all the set of comments, comment dot find, give me all the list of comments, and the comment will have author and the post. So that will be post. Author is u dot author. Okay, so I mean simply whatever we have done in the user, same thing we are doing in the post, and then same thing we are doing in comment. So we have author and we have post, and we have only text as a property, I think. So we can just do text u dot text. Cool. So simply we will write all the resolvers. Now all the resolvers are defined in the last video. Now we can just have a simple demo, because here we are importing combining all the resolvers, combining all the type definitions, going to the index.js. Here we have imported the type definitions and resolver. We will create the schema by calling make executable schema, because we haven't returned a schema together. It's like split it and we combine them. So to make it executable, we have to call this method from GraphQL tools schema, and then pass this schema here with the context. Context will have a pub sub because we are using it somewhere, and const pub sub will be an object of this new pub sub. That's it. We are passing this in the context, models, and pub sub. And the next video, let's have a simple demo for this, and then we are done with this. Thanks everyone.